Guys, let's get some of my new fidgets. And first of all, my dimple digits. Here's my dimple digits.
Dimple digits, bakit?
Stop, I'm recording.
Okay.
Okay, let's start with the loud side, but it's Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't even remember Spanish like uno, but I only know Korean, but not the Korean numbers. Okay, let's get my plastic puppet, my plastic heart puppet. And this touch is plastic, and this one has some rainbow numbers, and it's colorful but with white over the top. But there's even some words on it and a heart shaped on this one. Do you see it? Okay, you see the heart shaped. Okay, next of all is my butterfly dimple. And it's kind of relaxing to touch, and the antenna cannot be pulled out. It seems it's annoying. And I like this side because it's more harder and louder. Okay, next of all is my flower puppet. It's my puppet that it's not magic. I heard of magic puppets, guys. The next one is my jumbo puppet. I was recording. Okay. You see this? It's rainbow and it's on my dream. So I tell my mom to buy this. And you know what? You cannot even finish this on the other side, right? Okay, you cannot finish this because it's super many and it's 20 cm size like my foot. Yeah, and last of all is my fidget spinner puppet, and it pops as 3 bubbles, and when it has plastic, you can literally call it simple dimple spinner. By the way, these purple and green look like the simple dimple the simple dimple colors. And you know what? Let's start to try and use them. Let's start with the loud side first. Okay, let's start it. You know what? I'm gonna bring all of my puppets. Just wait. Yeah. I'm back, guys. I'm back. Okay, time to bring my old fidgets. Okay, my first puppet. Among this puppet. My first simple dimple is also literally as a dimple. My simple dimple, my octopus puppet, and my triple dimple. Okay, also my second simple dimple. And these are all my fidgets. And there's some more left, like my apple puppet. Okay. My green puppet na among us. I forgot to show that is my new puppet. Okay. But there's more? Nope, that's the last one. Wait, my fidget spinner. Okay, let's start using them. 1, No, how about without the voice?
2 weeks, Platinum. And yung first album na pinaka-hindi natin makakalimutan talaga, buong Pilipinas na ikot ng UNB.
Not the quiet side, but English. You know what? I live in the Philippines and I'm speaking the English language for you. Now this small Among Us puppet.
Solo lang din namin, wala kami ibang kasama artista.
You know what? This is super satisfying for me.
Sabi niyo dati, hindi kayo maghihiwalay.
And it has the shoulder, and it has the soldier color. Okay. Next of all is my triple dimple.
Triple dimple.
I was recording still. You remember that? Okay. If you could still hear me, like and subscribe. Next up is my octopus puppet. And also, if you haven't heard these, you just kind of like pop them and pop the head, and you can pop them over and over again. If you haven't heard of this, you will try like 9. Next of all is my first Among Us puppet, the rainbow one. And the next one is my first dimple. Right? I have heard of these last time, and I had these last time. And next of all is my jumbo puppet, but I popped a little bit so you can make the video more short. So I'll pop a little bit. Why does this always flip down? Okay, done. Next one is my red and blue simple dimple. And you know what? I'm starting to get a fidget collection. Okay, my next one is my heart plastic puppet, and I bought those from somewhere. Look. See this? And also it has some letters on it. Okay. Next one is my flower puppet, I guess. I got over and over again. Okay, you know what? It's almost time. And time for my flower dimple. Flower dimple. Okay. Correct. Time for my dimple. It's time for my simple dimple spinner.
Sa kabila ng mga paghihigpit, mga lumabag sa health protocol ngayong buwan, umabot na sa mahigit 400,000.
Spin, spin, spin.
Clinical trial ng antiviral
Spin more.
Naghahanap ng mga voluntaryong Pilipino.
Okay, time for my triple dimple. I'm really recording right now.
Wala naman nag-check. Wala naman nagtotopping po niya. Ayan, may sukat.
Sorry naman.
Okay. Okay.
Listening ko.
Let's now try and play with my first puppet. That's the last one. My first puppet. Okay. Time for my first puppet. And the sound is really slow because it's super soft. Sorry. And it's the last of all. And goodbye, guys. Bye.